Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We are doing 2019 Clearly Authentic Baseball for David. Good luck. You guys want to bid on any of the top boxes in this product? If you got one red, you probably need another one. 26 of 50 red, Vlad Guerrero Jr. Yes, that is the second one. And if there's another one in here, this is going to be crazy. Five of 25. If you got a red, you probably need a blue, right? Vlad Guerrero Jr. blue. If we do more, guys, obviously I'm going to have to mix these. That's not bad either. 88 of 99. Two more only? Okay. So top four, Dave, is that right? And stop? Man, that's good too. Jimenez, 65 of 99 rookie.
Is the card actually T sized, or is it full size with the T picture?
Oh, it's sized. Pretty sharp.
That is cool. Dude, those look good.
Thanks, Dave. Thank you, man, as always.